Hello, let me show you all touch controls that you can use on Redmi Buds 6 Pro. And first of all, I'm gonna show you call controls because they are hidden. They are not available in the application. So on the left, on the right earbud, or at the top, you can find touch sensor. And when there is incoming call, you can double tap to answer this phone call. But if you triple tap quickly, you will reject this phone call. If you are inside the call, you can double tap to end phone call. Now let's move into gestures. So we can change songs, we can volume up and volume down, and play and a pause. And you can assign this for all of this single, double, or triple taps. For the press and hold, we can turn on and off noise cancellation or wake voice assistant. And for the swipe on the left or the right one, we can adjust volume. So as you can see right now, it's not by increasing or decreasing volume. Right here, you can adjust volume. So yeah, this is all gestures that you can use on this device.